Hey, what's up, you guys? So I recently got this air horn, and I really want to test it out, so let's see how it sounds. What up, Gran?
You motherfucker! What the hell was that?
It's this new toy I got! What?
Caused me to throw my damn burrito away and everything else. I was just fixing to fucking eat, you stupid ass.
You broke your
motherfucker.
plate!
You bring that shit in here. Yeah, I broke my fucking plate, motherfucker. Cause you pissed me the fuck off. I can't even eat. You come in here and fuck everything up. Fuck that, I ain't gonna eat that motherfucking cookie. They hit the floor, they could have glass all over them.
Just get the glass off of
Fuck
it!
it. How the hell you gonna get motherfucker?
Gran!
What?
Why don't you use a magnet to get the glass up?
I magnet